last week I made a bunch of scarves.
I use different hooks for different scarves. Let us start with the red one. Here I am making a large rectangle with 70 inches length and 7 inches width, and I started here with 28 chains. That gave me 27 single crochets in back loop only.
I watch K-dramas, I read mangas, I read everything. I watch almost everything, especially romance. Because I watch so much romance, I see so many protagonists just rocking this red scarf all the time.
Let's start. I hope you know how to do a normal single crochet, but that is not what we will do today. We will only hook up the chain from the back loop. So go inside that loop that you just made and then shove that hook into the back loop of the chain. Pull up, you have 2 chains, and then pull to both the chains. This is how you make single crochet in back loop only. After repeating it for so many times, this is the end result.
And red in romance is such a significant color. It represents fate, love. I like it. And then I made a white one because I just kept seeing it on my Pinterest all the time. I have seen this white scarf on Pinterest ever since I downloaded Pinterest. Each winter you see someone rocking a white scarf on your feed and it looks amazing, it looks cute, it looks aesthetic. And I thought, wait, now that I'm a crochet artist, I can just make my own white scarf.
We will start again with making a rectangle which is 70 inches in length and 7 inches in width, and this time I'm making longer chains from this side. And I made 270 half double crochet, which means I made 272 chains for the half double crochet in back loop only. To make the half double crochet, we will start with our hook and wrap that thread around our hook, which will give us 2 loops on our hooks. Now we will go into the back loop of the chain and pull up a chain, which will give us 3 loops on the hooks, and we will pull through all 3 of them. Let's do this one more time. Go under and then into the back loop, pull over a chain and pull through all 3, and this is how you do a half double crochet. Guys, there are days when I struggle, and crocheting is, I don't know who said it's peaceful, it's a struggle at times.
And I am so happy with it. This is the first ever scarf I ever made, so it took me a lot longer to complete. And the last one is this pink scarf. Even the stitch I used, it makes the scarf look like it has tiny flowers in it. Right now it's like 25% completed, and I also don't have enough yarn, so I will have to go out and buy more yarn. But I can't wait to show you all the end result soon.
For the pink scarf, let's start with a rectangle again, but I'm only making it 64 inches longer and 6 inches wider. And I am again making longer chains with this one because I just like it better. And here I made 272 or 271 chains for this alternative pattern that I used here, which is single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. and it gave me this beautiful pattern. It feels like I'm wearing roses around my neck. Anyways, so let's start with a normal double crochet first, and then just in the next stitch we will do a single crochet, double crochet again in the next stitch, and in the next stitch single crochet. And you will follow this single crochet, double crochet alternative pattern all throughout the scarf, and you will also have a flower around your neck if you want to make it.
And that was all. I hope my explanation was on point, and if you end up recreating a scarf because you got inspired by me, don't forget to tag me right here. These are my socials, and please follow me on Instagram and YouTube. If you want to buy something, don't forget to DM me or email me right here. Thanks a lot. I will see you soon.